Are you struggling to achieve great-looking windshield repairs? Do you feel like you need to drill or use heat on most of the repairs you do? Are you having issues with flowering during the repair process? Do you have intermittent problems with repairs cracking out during the repair process? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may want to consider upgrading to the GlasWeld Zoom. The Zoom repair system was designed to solve common problems during the repair process. It pulls a massive vacuum and sustains it while you inject the resin, making it easier and faster than ever to get super clean repairs. Due to this technology, you won't need to drill or use heat to fill your repairs, which will leave you with less hassles and better looking repairs. The Zoom system uses a seal that is designed to absorb excess resin pressure and greatly reduces the possibility of flowering. And the Z-mount ratchet system means that cracking out a repair due to excessive injector pressure is a thing of the past. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what one customer said after upgrading to the ProVac Zoom by GlasWeld. Did you know that the ProVac Zoom is the highest rated auto glass tool ever, according to Auto Glass Digest? Doing great repairs doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to require drilling or heat. With the ProVac Zoom from GlasWeld, amazing quality repairs are faster and easier to achieve than ever before.